Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to link items in Monday.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your workspace. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can see all your boards and projects. Now, take a look at the left panel of your screen. This is where all your boards are listed. From here, click on the board you want to work with. This could be any board where you need to link items from another board. Selecting your preferred board will open it up in the main workspace area, allowing you to see all the items and columns currently set up. Once your board is open, look towards the right side of your screen. You'll see a plus icon that allows you to add new columns or features to your board. Click on this plus icon, and from the options that appear, select Connect Boards. This feature is specifically designed to create relationships between different boards in your workspace, making it easier to track related information across multiple projects. After selecting Connect Boards, you'll see an option that says Select Boards. Click on this to open a window showing all the available boards in your workspace. This is where you'll choose which boards you want to connect to your current board. The connection allows you to pull information from other boards directly into this one, creating a more comprehensive view of your projects. In the board selection window, you'll see checkboxes next to each board name. Browse through the list and check the box beside each board you want to connect. You can select multiple boards if needed, which is useful when you're managing complex projects that involve data from various sources. Once you've selected all the boards you need, click the Connect Boards button at the bottom of the window. This will establish the connection between your current board and the ones you've selected. Finally, you'll see an option to create mirror column. Click on this button to complete the linking process. Mirror columns are powerful because they allow you to display information from the connected boards right within your current board without duplicating data. This keeps everything synchronized and up to date across your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully linked items between boards in Monday.com, making it much easier to manage related information across your workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.